the Venture Zone. Already, it's the Venture Zone. Just the Dodge? Oh. Oh yeah? You need it, eh? Come on. Like later, another house today? I wonder, like... Dodge versus GM. Oh.
Keep it running. Andrew Nelson, the 99X, just put Corey back out of commission, it looks like. Jim Hume dragging his bumper. Oh, Corey's got it fired up. Atta boy, Corey.
The two Astros.
Oh, good hit there by 005, Tim Hume.
Come on, he should have backed it up and...
Maybe he doesn't back up.
That's it?
Okay, and the winner of the van heat is Tim Hume in van 005.
Oh,
Chevy Power.